25. Amazon's coolest bicycle gadgets you didn't know you needed. Whether you're a casual rider or a serious cyclist, these gadgets are designed to elevate your riding experience. From safety enhancements to convenience features, each product has been carefully selected for its design, durability, and usability. So, gear up as we explore these game-changing bicycle gadgets that could transform your ride. Let's get started. Number 1. Bike tail turning signal light. Imagine cruising at night or in foggy conditions where visibility is crucial. The bike tail turning signal light is a must-have safety gadget. Its sleek design easily attaches to your bike's rear and features bright LED lights that activate with simple turn signals, just like a car. The signals are highly visible from a distance, ensuring that drivers and pedestrians can see your intentions clearly. Made from durable, weather-resistant materials, this light is built to withstand rain, mud, and rough terrain. Its rechargeable battery lasts for hours, and the installation is a breeze. No tools required. This gadget not only enhances safety, but also adds a modern, tech-savvy touch to your bike. Perfect for urban commuting and long-distance rides alike. Number 2. Bike tire repair toolkit. Flat tires are every cyclist's nightmare, but with the Bike Tire Repair Toolkit, you're prepared for any roadside mishap. This comprehensive kit includes all essential tools: tire levers, patches, glue, a mini pump, and a multi-tool for on-the-go repairs. The compact design makes it easy to carry in your bike frame bag or saddlebag. The tools are crafted from high-quality materials, strong, lightweight, and rust-resistant, ensuring longevity and reliable performance. The patches are effective at sealing punctures quickly, and the mini pump inflates tires efficiently, saving you time and hassle. Whether you're mountain biking or commuting, this kit ensures you can fix flats swiftly and get back on the road with confidence. It's an essential for every cyclist who values preparedness. Number 3. Thrasher Adult Bike Helmet. Safety is paramount, and the Thrasher Adult Bike Helmet combines protection with style. This helmet features a durable polycarbonate shell with an EPS foam liner that absorbs impact effectively. Its aerodynamic design reduces wind resistance, making it perfect for both city rides and mountain biking. Multiple ventilation ports promote airflow, keeping your head cool even during intense rides. The adjustable strap system and a dial fit adjuster ensure a snug, comfortable fit for various head sizes. The helmet's sleek matte finish and modern aesthetics make it a fashionable choice as well. Certified to meet safety standards, the Thrasher helmet offers peace of mind without compromising on style or comfort. It's an investment in your safety that every cyclist should consider. Number 4. Bike handlebar grips. Comfort during long rides is essential, and the bike handlebar grips deliver just that. Designed with ergonomic contours, these grips fit naturally in your hands, reducing fatigue and preventing blisters. Made from high-density silicone and rubber, they provide excellent shock absorption and a non-slip surface for secure handling. Their textured design ensures a firm grip even when your hands are sweaty or in wet conditions. Installation is straightforward. Simply slide them onto your handlebars and secure with provided clamps or adhesive if necessary. These grips are durable, weather-resistant, and maintain their comfort over time. Whether you're commuting or tackling rugged trails, these handlebar grips enhance riding comfort and control, making every ride more enjoyable. Number 5. Bike phone holder. Navigating with your smartphone has never been easier thanks to the bike phone holder. Crafted from impact-resistant silicone and reinforced with a sturdy frame, this holder securely grips your device, even on bumpy rides. Its adjustable clamp fits various handlebar sizes, and the silicone padding prevents scratches. The transparent anti-glare screen cover allows you to operate your phone without removing it, providing easy access to GPS, music, or fitness apps. The holder's 360-degree rotation feature offers optimal viewing angles for different riding scenarios. Its waterproof design protects your device from rain splashes, sweat, or mud. Installation is quick, and removal is just as simple. Ideal for navigation, tracking, or just enjoying your favorite playlist while cycling. Number 6. Comfortable bike seat. Long rides demand a comfortable seat, and this bike seat delivers just that. Its ergonomic design contours to the rider's body, reducing pressure points and preventing soreness. The padding is made from high-density gel and foam, providing excellent shock absorption and comfort over rough terrains. The seat's cover is crafted from weather-resistant, breathable materials that wick away sweat and resist wear and tear. Its adjustable rails allow for precise positioning, ensuring optimal comfort and riding posture. The sturdy plastic shell offers durability while keeping the weight manageable. Whether you're commuting or mountain biking, this seat transforms your ride into a more comfortable experience. It's a perfect upgrade for cyclists seeking both comfort and performance. Number 7. Bike Water Bottle Holder. Stay hydrated on your rides with the Bike Water Bottle Holder. Made from lightweight, durable aluminum alloy or high-strength plastic, this holder securely grips standard-sized water bottles. Its sleek, minimalist design complements any bike frame, and the quick-release mechanism allows for easy access while riding. The adjustable straps fit various frame shapes, and the anti-slip rubber grips prevent bottles from rattling or falling out. Installation is straightforward. Most models attach with minimal tools. The high-quality materials resist rust and corrosion, ensuring longevity even with exposure to rain and mud. Whether you're on a short commute or a long-distance adventure, this water bottle holder makes hydration convenient and accessible, keeping you refreshed throughout your ride. Number 8. Mini Bike Tire Pump. A reliable mini bike tire pump is an essential tool for every cyclist. This compact pump fits easily into your saddlebag or frame bag, yet it delivers impressive inflation power. Constructed from durable aluminum and high-quality plastics, it withstands rough handling and weather conditions. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to pump even in tight spaces. The pump features a dual-valve head compatible with Presta and Schrader valves, ensuring versatility across different bike tires. Its lightweight design doesn't compromise performance, and a built-in pressure gauge helps you achieve optimal inflation levels. Whether you're fixing a flat on the trail or topping off tires before a ride, this mini pump is your reliable roadside companion for quick, efficient tire inflation. Number 9. Bike Ulock with Cable. Starting with security, the Bike Ulock with Cable might seem out of place in a car organizer list, but its sturdy design and versatile cable make it an excellent addition to your vehicle's storage. Made from hardened steel, this lock provides maximum durability and theft resistance, ensuring your bike or other valuables stay protected when parked. The flexible cable allows for easy locking of multiple items or securing your bike to a fixed object. Its weatherproof coating resists rust and corrosion, making it suitable for outdoor storage. Compact and lightweight, it fits easily in your glove compartment or backseat organizer, adding an extra layer of security to your gear. Number 10. Waterproof Bicycle Speedometer. Tracking your speed and ride data is vital for performance improvement, and the waterproof bicycle speedometer is perfect for this purpose. Its aerodynamic, compact design fits seamlessly onto your handlebars. The device features a large, easy-to-read display that shows current speed, distance traveled, ride time, and max speed. Its waterproof construction ensures reliable operation in rain or muddy conditions. The wireless sensor pairs effortlessly with the display unit, and installation involves just mounting the sensor on the fork and the display on the stem. The device has multiple modes, including odometer and trip meter, and automatically resets for each ride. Durable and precise, this speedometer enhances your cycling experience by providing real-time data, motivating you to improve. Number 11. Bike Storage Rack. For those who need to carry groceries, gear, or extra apparel, the bike storage rack is a game changer. Its sturdy construction typically includes a metal or reinforced plastic platform that mounts securely onto your bike's rear. The design ensures even weight distribution and stability during rides. Many models feature adjustable straps and quick-release clamps for easy installation and removal. The rack's surface is textured to prevent slipping, and some come with additional side rails or baskets for extra capacity. Made from rust-resistant materials, this rack withstands outdoor elements over time. Whether used for commuting, shopping, or touring, it offers a reliable solution for expanding your bike's carrying capacity without sacrificing performance. Number 12. BikeRain Poncho. Riding in unexpected rain can be uncomfortable, but the BikeRain Poncho keeps you dry and visible. Designed for cyclists, this lightweight, waterproof poncho features a long, loose fit that accommodates a helmet and backpack underneath. Its durable, waterproof fabric prevents rain penetration while remaining breathable to prevent overheating. Reflective strips on the poncho enhance visibility in low-light conditions, improving safety. The adjustable hood and elastic cuffs ensure a snug fit, preventing wind or rain from entering. Compact and foldable, it easily stows in your bag when not in use. Perfect for commuting or long-distance rides, this rain poncho ensures your ride remains dry, comfortable, and safe regardless of the weather. Number 13. Bike Pedals. Upgrading your bike's pedals can dramatically improve your riding experience. High-quality bike pedals come in various styles: platform, clipless, or hybrid, each designed for specific riding needs. Made from durable materials like aluminum, stainless steel, or reinforced plastic, these pedals withstand harsh conditions while providing excellent grip. They feature textured surfaces and anti-slip pins for maximum foot stability even in wet conditions. Adjustable tension mechanisms allow for easy clipping or unclipping, essential for clipless models, enhancing power transfer and pedaling efficiency. Many pedals include reflective elements for added safety during low-light rides. Whether you're seeking better control, comfort, or performance, premium bike pedals are a smart upgrade that can elevate your cycling game. Number 14. Bike Rack Bag. The Bike Rack Bag offers versatile storage for longer rides or daily commutes. Typically designed to attach securely to your rear rack, it features multiple compartments and pockets to organize essentials. Made from waterproof, durable fabrics like nylon or polyester, it protects your gear from rain and dirt. The padded interior safeguards electronics, tools, or valuables. Some models include reflective strips for safety and quick-access external pockets. The adjustable straps and quick-release buckles make installation and removal effortless. Its spacious design accommodates everything from spare clothing to snacks and tech gadgets. Whether you're touring or commuting, this bag turns your bike into a mobile storage unit, making rides more convenient and enjoyable. Number 15. Bike Tiny Pump. For quick inflation needs, the Bike Tiny Pump is a compact powerhouse. Despite its small size, it delivers substantial airflow with minimal effort. Constructed from lightweight aluminum or high-strength plastic, it's designed for portability without sacrificing durability. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during use. The dual-valve head handles Presta and Schrader valves, ensuring compatibility with most bike tires. Its built-in pressure gauge allows precise inflation, preventing overinflation. The tiny size fits easily into any saddlebag, pocket, or backpack, making it ideal for emergency repairs on the trail or during daily commutes. This pump combines portability, effectiveness, and durability, perfect for cyclists who prioritize convenience. Number 16. Bike Cup Holder. Enjoy your favorite beverage on rides with the Bike Cup Holder. Crafted from sturdy, weather-resistant materials like silicone, plastic, or metal, it securely attaches to your handlebars or frame using adjustable straps or clamps. Its universal design accommodates various cup sizes and bottles, including travel mugs and water bottles. The anti-slip interior prevents spills, even on bumpy rides, while the quick-release feature allows for easy removal and cleaning. The holder's compact profile adds minimal weight and doesn't interfere with riding. Whether you're on a short commute or a long adventure, this gadget keeps your drink within reach, making your ride more enjoyable and hydrating on the go. Number 17. Bicycle Rear View Camera. Safety and awareness are enhanced with the Bicycle Rear View Camera. This compact, weatherproof device mounts discreetly at the rear of your bike, providing a real-time video feed to a mounted display or your smartphone. Its wide-angle lens offers a clear view of approaching vehicles or obstacles, reducing blind spots. The camera features night vision for low-light conditions and is resistant to rain and mud. Installation involves attaching the camera to the seat post or rear rack with a simple wiring setup for the display. This gadget transforms your riding safety, especially in urban traffic, offering peace of mind and better situational awareness during every trip. Number 18. Bike Bell. A classic yet essential accessory, the Bike Bell combines functionality with style. Crafted from durable metals like brass or aluminum, it produces a clear, loud chime that alerts pedestrians and other riders of your presence. Its ergonomic design fits comfortably on handlebars and is easy to operate with a thumb or finger. Many bells feature vintage or modern aesthetics, with finishes like matte, polished, or painted coatings, matching various bike styles. The materials resist rust and weathering, ensuring longevity. The simple act of ringing the bell can prevent accidents and improve safety during busy city rides or trail adventures. It's an affordable, timeless upgrade that adds a touch of personality and safety to your bike. Number 19. Bike Frame Bag. Waterproof. This waterproof bike frame bag is the perfect accessory for cyclists who need reliable storage in all weather conditions. Made from high-strength, waterproof materials like TPU-coated nylon, it prevents water ingress, protecting your belongings from rain, mud, and splashes. The bag attaches securely to your bike's top tube with adjustable straps and buckles, ensuring stability even on rough terrain. Its spacious interior features compartments for organizing tools, snacks, or electronics, with a soft lining for fragile items. The sleek profile minimizes aerodynamic drag, and reflective details enhance visibility. Easy to install and remove, this bag is ideal for long-distance rides, touring, or daily commuting, providing peace of mind that your gear stays dry and safe. Number 20. Bike Tire Repair Kit. A comprehensive bike tire repair kit is every cyclist's best friend. It includes everything needed to fix punctures quickly: multiple patches, tire levers, a mini pump, valve adapters, and glue, all housed in a compact, durable case. The patches are strong and stick well to various tube materials, providing a reliable seal. The tire levers are designed to prevent damage to the tire and rim during removal. The mini pump inflates tires efficiently, saving time. The kit's high-quality components resist rust and wear, ensuring longevity. Lightweight and portable, it fits easily into your frame bag or pocket. Whether on a mountain trail or city commute, this kit empowers you to handle flats confidently and keep riding without delays. Number 21. Bike Mirror. Handlebar mount. Enhance your situational awareness with the Bike Mirror. Handlebar mount. This adjustable, lightweight mirror mounts securely onto your handlebars, providing a clear, wide-angle view of traffic approaching from behind. Its high-quality glass or acrylic mirror offers distortion-free visibility. The mount's flexible arm allows for easy positioning, ensuring you can customize the angle for optimal viewing. Made from durable, weather-resistant materials, it withstands rain, sun, and rough rides. Installation is simple. Most models clamp onto standard handlebars without tools. The mirror's compact design minimizes wind resistance, yet it's large enough for effective viewing. This gadget is essential for urban riders, ensuring safer, more confident rides in busy traffic conditions. Number 22. Bike Wheel Light. Add a splash of fun and safety with the Bike Wheel Light. These LED lights clip onto your spokes or rims and create dazzling light displays as your wheels spin. Made from durable, weatherproof plastics, they resist rain and mud, ensuring long-lasting performance. The lights feature multiple modes: steady, flashing, or color changing, allowing you to customize your visual effects. Easy to install without tools, they securely attach to most wheel types. The bright LEDs enhance visibility during nighttime rides, alerting drivers and pedestrians of your presence. Lightweight and energy efficient, they run on small batteries that last for dozens of rides. Perfect for night riding, these lights make your bike stand out while improving safety and adding a fun flair. Number 23. Adjustable Bike Cargo Rack. For riders needing versatile cargo capacity, the Adjustable Bike Cargo Rack provides a customizable solution. Its robust steel or aluminum frame adjusts in width and height to fit various bike frames and sizes. The platform supports heavy loads, making it ideal for commuting, touring, or hauling gear. Its mounting system is compatible with most bikes and includes quick-release clamps for easy installation. The surface is textured to prevent slipping, and some models include side rails for additional security. Made from rust-resistant materials, this rack withstands outdoor elements. Its adjustable design ensures you can carry everything from groceries to camping gear without compromising stability or bike handling. Number 24. Bike Computer Wireless GPS. Track your rides with precision using the wireless GPS bike computer. This sleek, modern device connects wirelessly to satellites for accurate real-time data. Its large, high-contrast display shows speed, distance, elevation, cadence, and route maps, making it ideal for serious cyclists and adventurers. The GPS feature records your rides, allowing you to analyze performance and plan future routes. Waterproof and rugged, it operates reliably in all weather conditions. The device is easy to install and syncs effortlessly with your smartphone or cycling apps via Bluetooth. Its long battery life ensures extended use, and its lightweight design doesn't add any significant weight to your bike. It's a comprehensive tool for tracking progress and exploring new terrains. Number 25. Folding Bike Lock. Security is vital, and the folding bike lock offers robust protection while remaining portable. Constructed from hardened steel links with a durable, weatherproof coating, it resists cutting and corrosion. Its folding design allows compact storage. Folded, it's small enough to fit in your pocket or bag. When in use, unfold it to create a sturdy, flexible lock that can secure your bike to posts, racks, or other fixed objects. The links are tightly connected for maximum strength, and some models include anti-drill and anti-lock picking features for added security. Easy to carry and operate, this lock is perfect for city commuting, short stops, and outdoor adventures, combining portability with peace of mind. And there you have it, 25 of Amazon's coolest bicycle gadgets you didn't know you needed. These innovative accessories can make your rides safer, more comfortable, and more enjoyable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and cycling tips. Thanks for watching, and happy riding!